Good morning. Welcome to the Zamchat Medical Podcast. We are at the 44th Annual General Meeting for the Pharmaceutical Society of Zambia in Livingstone at the Mosotunya Radisson Blue Hotel. The theme for this year is Together for Better Health, Strengthening Collaborations in Pharmacy and Beyond. Of course, this year it's a non-elective year, and it presents a better platform for everyone who's here to collaborate, to interact with people from different industries, from different spheres of the profession. So sit back and relax. We'll be conducting some interviews here and there, and we hope people can participate. Thank you. Welcome back. We are joined by pharmacist Lucky. Lucky, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm all right. Your thoughts on the theme for this year?
Okay, I think the theme itself emphasizes on the importance of pharmacy as a profession to partner with other stakeholders other than themselves for the betterment of patient healthcare and improved healthcare outcomes.
Lucky, do you feel like as a profession have we been deliberate about the collaborations that we have maybe in the health sector? Do you feel we've been deliberate about them? Because the theme this year says strengthening those collaborations, but do you feel we've been deliberate to make sure those collaborations with other sectors are intact?
I think we have been doing that, but I still feel there is room that we can do more than we are doing at present. Why I say so, as a profession, I think looking at where we're coming from, we have grown beyond maybe what we even thought we would get to. And that caused that we go beyond what we imagined at first. So that caused for us maybe to rethink how we do things and then improve on where we need to improve. That calls for collaboration with patients, our fellow healthcare workers, and even the industry out there. So that calls for teamwork. If I
Okay.
was to say.
So do you feel this meeting presents that opportunity for some of those issues to be addressed?
Yes, sure. Because if you look at who's present here, it's not just pharmacists. We've got people from the industry, meaning they also have an opportunity to air out their concerns and how they can provide solutions to some of our problems. And I think I've seen the industry, the manufacturers, the wholesalers, of which they all fall under the stakeholders of the industry. So I think this presents an opportunity where we can draw solutions that will better the patient's outcome.
Okay. Thank you very much for your thoughts.
Okay,
We
thank you.
appreciate it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So right now we're joined by pharmacist Nanga.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Looking good.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here. It looks so nice. Everyone looks so ready. I'm anticipating a very, very beautiful and successful event.
Okay. 2025, new theme. Last year we had another theme. We have a new theme this year. What are your thoughts on the theme for this year?
Okay, the theme for this year to begin with is Together for Better Health, Strengthening Collaborations in Pharmacy and Beyond. So our vision as pharmacists this year is to strengthen the collaborations, not only within pharmacy but beyond. So here we have not only pharmacists but other companies that are bringing up new ideas for us to better the health of our people, our patients, so that we have a good quality of life for everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So good morning. We are joined by PSZ's EXCO member, Mr. Shimuna. Mr. Shimuna, your thoughts on the scientific session so far and the theme for this year?
All right. Thank you so much, comrades. The theme has been deliberately put like this to encourage the aspect of collaboration. I think for so many years now we've seen where different professional members of health, work in isolation, and so this theme, the one that emphasizes on collaboration, I think has been structured deliberately like this to make sure that at least the different sectors of health are able to collaborate for the common good of the patient. So ultimately, so far so good. Yesterday we saw a panel which highlighted on the importance of collaboration in the health sector. looking at different cadres of health. So for me, I think so far so good, and we hope. And by the way, we are waiting for the minister who will be coming through to address us. And part of the speech has to do with collaboration with just all of us in the health sector, just working together for the common good of the patient. So far so good. I can say so far so good.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Sure.
Shimuna.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Please have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of the program.
Okay,
So
thank you.
you.
Distinguished representatives from the Ministry of Health, SAMRA, SAMSA, HPCZ, and other regulatory bodies. Representatives from our beloved partners and sponsors. Fellow pharmacists, researchers, educators, and students. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is both an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to the 44th Annual Scientific Conference and Annual General Meeting of the Pharmaceutical Society of Zambia. On behalf of the Executive Committee and the organizing team, I extend our deepest appreciation to each one of you for joining us here in Livingstone, the home of the mighty Victoria Falls.
Hi, my name is Joe Kanema from the Zamchat podcast. So welcome to day 2 of the Pharmaceutical Society of Zambia AGM 2025. I'm here with Mr. Lucky Musaka. He is the president of the Hospital Pharmacist Association of Zambia, OPAS. Mr. Musaka, welcome, sir.
Oh, no, thank you so much for having me. It's always good and a pleasure to be here.
All right, thank you very much, sir. So, just to kickstart this conversation, what does the AGM mean for hospital pharmacists in Zambia, and what does this event mean to you as the president?
Thank you so much for that question. I think something that to note here is that the theme speaks on collaboration, which is very key, I think, even in the hospital practice, because remember, in hospitals, we are trying to foster the issues of a clinical practice, which entails that a pharmacist becomes an integral, key member of a healthcare team. And in order for a healthcare team to be very effective, there should be effective collaboration. So if there are any lags or any limitation, this is why this AGM is key, because it's helping us understand how best can we strengthen that practice, how best can we become an effective healthcare team, and how best can we strengthen even different collaboration away from pharmacy, beyond, with the medics, with the lab, with all the people that are involved in the management of the patient care. So for us at OPAS, we love this theme because it speaks to what we are trying to achieve, and that is better patient outcomes.
Thank you so much, Mr. President, for your time.
No, thank you
I'm
so
sure
much.
we'll be able to chat again in the course of this AGM.
Definitely.
Sure,
Definitely.
sir.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
There you have it from the president of the Hospital and Pharmacist Association of Zambia, Mr. Lucky Musaka. Hi, everyone. So I'm here with pharmacist Beska Chinza. He's a renowned pharmacist. Just to get your understanding of this year's theme and what it means to you, what does this year's annual general meeting theme mean to you as a pharmacist?
Well, first and foremost, I would really love to thank the organizers for this particular AGM. Truthfully speaking, most of the time we only have this kind of crowd when there is time for elections and everything. So it's like every person now understands the importance of collaboration with these pharmaceutical industries, with the other health sector departments and institutions, together with the Ministry of Health. So for me, this really means a lot because it calls for transformation, mindset change, and I really want to emphasize to all the pharmaceutical professionals and all the pharmacy staff, all the pharmaceutical industry, so that we should come together and make sure that we move forward
Yes.
to contribute to the betterment of our health sector, bring our healthcare services close to our families, as close to our families as possible. Yeah, I feel this is what I get to say right now.
I'm here with a seasoned pharmacist Frederick Chongo. Sir, what does this year's annual general meeting theme mean to you as a pharmacist?
Okay, so this year's theme as a pharmacist, first of all, it's a good theme, and looking at what we have learned so far, what people have talked about, I think I would talk about collaboration between the private sector and the public. Yeah, so for us to achieve the good things that we want to see for the profession, there should be engagement between the private sector and the public. More especially, maybe we talk about the community pharmacy. We have a lot of issues where somebody comes looking for certain services from the private or from the community. If we strengthen the collaboration between the public and the private, it will be easy for our clients to receive better treatments.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, there you have it from pharmacist Frederick Chongo.
Wonderful. I got you.
Here with pharmacist Muntonga. So, sir, just in your own words, just trying to analyze what this year's AGM theme means to you as a pharmacist.
Quite unaware, I'm camera phobic, but the theme talks about working together with all stakeholders. Life is not in a vacuum, so as a society we live together, work together, and so because we need to know why we are here. Number one, we are here for the patient, and so the patient needs concerted efforts of all sectors of health, and so all other stakeholders in the healthcare provision are important, beginning from the security officer to the cleaner, because when a patient walks into the hospital, asks for a direction, I want the lab. So if the guard is unruly, just from that point, it erodes confidence in the person seeking care that I'm in a wrong environment. But if the reception from the gate onwards to the reception and to the front officers is good, it provides hope that I'll come out of here better than I came. I'm seeking the right solution for the right people. So all of us have to forgo our ego, forget the various credentials we've acquired. They mean nothing if we don't work towards patient care. So our credentials mean that the higher we get them, the better we provide the service for our patients, for the ultimate bosses. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.